Alright, the question here says Albert has 12 more 10-cent coins than 20-cent coins. The total value of all his coins is 5.4. Find the total number of coins he has. So here we have to first create an equation, and to create an equation we first consider the unknown value as x. So there are two unknowns in this question. The first unknown is the number of 10-cent coins, and the second unknown is the number of 20-cent coins. हमें नहीं पता कि 20 cent coins कितने हैं और 10-cent coins कितने हैं, तो हम किसी एक को x कंसिडर कर लेंगे. Now here it is saying he has 12 more 10-cent coins. जितने भी 20-cent coins हैं, 10-cent वाली जो कैटेगरी है वो उससे 12 ज़्यादा है. ठीक है, the number of these coins are 12 more than this category. 20 वाले से 12 coins ज़्यादा हैं 10-cent coins. ठीक है, so we can consider this 20-cent coins as x, and if this is x, this will be x plus 12. ठीक है, since this is 12 more, so more than means plus. Now the total value is 5.4. The total value is $5.4. Now 10 cent, if you write in dollars, 10 cent in dollars will be 0.1, because $1 is 100 cent. So you divide 10 by 100, divide 10 by 100, so this will become 0.1, and you divide 20 by 100, so if you convert 20 cents in dollars, this becomes 0.2. So when you add the value of these, since we know that the number of 20-cent coins is x, so whenever we calculate the total value of anything, we multiply the value of one unit by the number of units. जैसे अगर आप फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप ये देखना चाह रहे हैं कि एक पेन है उसकी कॉस्ट 10 रुपीज़ है, और ऐसे 50 पेन्स आप परचेज़ कर रहे हैं, तो 50 पेन्स की टोटल कॉस्ट के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, 10 रुपीज़ विच इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन यूनिट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 50. तो किसी भी चीज़ की टोटल वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए वैल्यू ऑफ वन यूनिट मल्टीप्लाई बाय नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स हम करते हैं. सो ओवर हेयर द वैल्यू ऑफ वन 20-cent coin is 0.2. and how many 20-cent coins do we have? कितने 20-cent coins है हमारे पास? x. so we will multiply this by x. तो ये 0.2 multiply by x किस चीज़ को शो कर रहा है? the total value of 20-cent coins. Similarly, if you do x plus 12 multiply by 0.1, this will give you the total value of 10-cent coins. 10-cent coins, because x plus 12 is the number of 10-cent coins. ये पूरा x plus 12 किस चीज़ को represent कर रहा है? the number of 10-cent coins. So the number of 10-cent coins multiplied by the value of one unit will give you the total value of 10-cent coins. Now the total value of 20 cent plus the total value of 10 cent altogether is equal to $5.4 given in the question. So the equation has been formed. Now we will solve the equation. So this will be 0.2x plus 0.1x plus 1.2. I hope you understand how we opened this bracket. This was 0.1 multiplied by x plus 12. So when you multiply 0.1 with x, this becomes 0.1x, and when you multiply 0.1 with 12, this will become 1.2. So this is equals to 5.4. Now when you solve this, 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.3x. x will be added with x, and number will be added with number. So 1.2 shifted on the other side becomes subtraction. So 5.2 minus 1.2, this will be 4.2, and 4.2 divided by 0.3. So when you divide the decimal numbers, you always convert them into whole numbers. अगर आप इसको न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये 42 बन जाएगा और ये 3 बन जाएगा. So when you cut them, this becomes 14. Now the value of x is 14, which means you have 14 coins of 10 cents. ठीक है, 14 coins of 20 cents, sorry. So अगर आपके पास 20 cent वाले 14 coins हैं तो 10 cent वाले कितने होंगे? They are 12 more. So 10 cent की quantity इससे 12 ज़्यादा है, 14 plus 12. So altogether this is 26 coins. Now the total coins are 14 plus 26. So altogether the total coins are 40. The 10 cent and 20 cent altogether they are 40 coins.